I hate cooking.
Oh, really? I didn't notice.
I think it's time to add the noodles.
Knock yourself out.
Bum, bum,
Are you ready for this?
Break it down now. Yeah.
Good time.
How about those noodles?
I think they're cooking out pretty good.
I'll get the cream.